safe where I was sitting. Then I felt the knife as it sliced and the cord ripped. Thought I had a handle when I didn't. Held on so tight but my grip slipped. Thought that I was safe where I was sitting. Then I felt the knife as it sliced and the cord ripped.
Thought I had it handled, had the wrong ammo. Couldn't see the enemy, smoke from their candle. Turns out I was fighting me from the wrong angle. Blinded by media, make us feel simple. System down effect, we go with the grain. But the grains that defeating us overload the brain. And the rain contains toxins heavy on the shame. How long can we keep up this endless chain? With the ones in control dictating the bankroll. Pushing to our psyches, we need more, must grow. Consuming all the propaganda cause I think I know. Presuming I'm on top cause my ego says so. Only I can provide, Godhead reach inside. Rip the spine, rip the lifeline right. Cause I don't wanna know, I'd rather let it all.
Super.